In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide, use compare it price in Shopify. If you want shoppers to instantly see how much they're saving and nudge them to check out faster, this is one of the simplest, highest impact settings you can use. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what each field means, and a few quick tips to make sure everything looks great on your storefront. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your products list. Pick the item you want to discount. This could be a slow mover you're trying to clear out, a seasonal piece on promotion, or a bestseller you're using to drive more traffic. Once the product page opens, scroll down to the pricing section. You'll notice two fields side by side, price and compare at price. Think of the compare at price as the original or full retail amount. The higher number you want customers to see crossed out. Type that original price into the compare at price field. On your storefront, most themes will automatically display a strike-through over this number, which signals a markdown at a glance. Keep this honest and accurate. It should reflect a real previous price to maintain trust and comply with pricing guidelines. Next, enter your discounted amount in the price field. This is the number your customer will actually pay at checkout. The instant you set a lower price than the compare at price, many Shopify themes will also add a bright sale badge to the product image or title. That visual cue draws the eye on collection pages and can significantly boost clicks. When your numbers are set, hit Save. Don't skip this part. After saving, open your storefront and view the product as a shopper would. Confirm that the compare at price shows with a strike-through, your new price appears clearly, and any sale badge is visible. If your product has multiple variants, glance through a couple to ensure each one reflects the discount correctly. Small details matter. Consistent pricing across sizes or colors prevents confusion and keeps buyers confident. A few quick presentation tips. Consider tidy, shopper-friendly pricing that ends in $0.99 or $0.95 and align discounts with your brand's tone. Deep cuts for clearance, lighter reductions for promos. Also, remember that taxes, shipping, and discount codes stack on top of this setup, so your final checkout totals may differ. That's it. Clear savings, happy customers. Set your compare at price, enter your new price, save, and verify on your storefront. It's a simple change that can lift conversions and help move inventory without complicated campaigns.